Yeah, she don't give me no warning. She don't say, I'm thinking to, you know.
This is our little story and a true, true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual win. Keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I'll just set you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Today's Heritage Day at school.
Let me go in the car.
What heritage are you, which part of your heritage are you representing today?
China.
Chinese. Hence your red shirt, right?
Heritage Day.
Heritage Day, you look nice in your bandana. Truth is, we never have no bandana shirt for this one here, so I have to do a little thing. Good morning, good morning. Good morning.
Mommy,
You ready to go to school?
Oh, cool.
What part of your heritage
Mommy,
are you representing?
Drive.
Drive. All right, come, let's go.
Mommy, doors.
Okay.
A mask. Mine.
So because it's Heritage Day, the drummers are out. I don't know why that makes me want to cry. They sound amazing. I love it.
Good morning, MTM. How is everybody doing on this lovely morning? Anyway, you guys might be watching this afternoon, night, and who knows when you're going to be watching this. Anyway, my wife, right? Little do you guys know, because guess what? Since we started this vlog, she's been very consistent with her, yeah. But she is somebody who just comes home from the hairdresser and surprises me. Yeah, she don't give me no warning. She don't say, I'm thinking to, you know, lighten things or change things or go back to. But this is my newest wife. People, get used to her. Get used to her. She does these things from time to time.
She might change again.
Ta-da!
I went pink for October.
It have a buzz, me not lie.
I love it.
When she come home yesterday, my mouth drop her ground, people. She not give me no warning with these things. She just come.
Close your mouth. We are not a codfish.
Watch it.
Just a little fun, guys. And I just always think it's nice to, you know, switch things up a bit. But it's only just for a month. So I'm going to keep washing it out. And
It buzzy. You look like a rock star.
the boys loved it. The little boys loved it so much. All of them. Jackson was like, wow, mom. And Alice was like, I love your hair. And Ozzy was like, wow, pretty. Even Alex did like it too. Alex said, how about boys? It look nice. So just a little vibes. Tessie asked me if I was having a midlife crisis. So yeah, what a way to start the vlog today.
Good. Talk to MTM. Talk
New
to
hair,
her. Tell us how it goes.
don't care.
New hair, don't care.
Yeah, look at hair.
What a piece of excitement.
Hi, Gwen.
Hi, Zai.
No, but William, catch your
Hi,
shoes.
Zaia.
Catch your shoes. Catch the shoes for me now.
Okay.
What the hell? You have
It's
nicer shoes than
stylish.
me.
It's stylish.
Hi, Mom.
Snake skin.
Hi, Mommy. She's so pretty.
Dog.
A dog. Very good. So smart.
Dog.
A dog. What does the dog say? Woof, woof. Uncle Wayne is so silly. He's so silly. Come on, let's look around.
So people, we have Zaya for the day.
Just the morning.
For the morning.
Yeah.
Want her for the day
Look
though.
in the shoes. You see the truck?
Excitement. No, Auntie Tami. Girl fit, you know.
Beautiful. Okay.
Shining.
Yeah.
So she talk enough.
She's talking so much. She's smart. No, but it's the shoes, Wayne. Momo, come look for them shoes here, please.
Riff, riff. Zai, Zai.
Woof, woof. Zai boozy, zai boozy, zai boozy, zai boozy, zai boozy, boozy. Do you like Auntie Tammy's hair? Do you like the hair? So she's smart. You know where my hair is, you know. It's pink. Like it?
What is he saying?
Sweetie. Lover, you see?
So sweet.
What should we do? What should we do? Should we go somewhere? Should we do something? You want to go on the road? Want to go on the road? Oh, precious girl. Love you.
All right, guys. So Tami going to go change Zaia. We've been here watching our little niece pool, and it is new territory for me because the girl energy in the house is always boy energy in the house. You know how that go. But anyway, we're going to go on the road. We have to get some paint. Tami wants to get another plant. Another plant. You hear that echo? Yeah. And we have some whole heap up and down. You know it go. So come with us. Stay with us.
So now we have a couple more things to do on the road before it's time to go and pick up Boozy.
We have some exciting news. MTM family, you know, we'll always share with you guys whenever we have these
good news moments.
Good news moments.
Should we do like a school challenge quiz?
No.
So we're really excited because recently we, the Mitchells, have partnered with Wendy's, which we're so excited about. I keep saying we're so excited, but we really are, because it's really nice when we get to partner with brands that we actually love, that we actually use, in this case, eat. And it was a no-brainer for us to do this. And so you remember a couple weeks when we were like, oh, we're doing something, can't tell you what we're doing right now, but we'll explain. We were doing that, our first little activation with them, which is so fun. And a fun fact is that I've actually eaten everything on the Wendy's menu.
Really?
Yeah, and I introduced Wayne.
You did that deliberately?
No, just over the years.
Okay, so you just
over the years, yes. And Wayne had never tried like Frosties and the Frosty and fries. I'm trying to tell him that that's a thing.
It is not a thing, it's your thing.
It's not, it's a thing. And you should try it. Comment section, please tell me if Frosties and fries is a thing. Where have I been living? Frosties and fries is a thing.
No, but for me though, it's a big deal because as you said,
what? I can't mash up people's video. Anyway.
As you said, Wendy's is a family favorite, and not just me alone, like all of us. Like everybody has something on the menu.
We just wanted to share the news with you guys. Yeah, it's a good look. You know, whenever something good happens for us, it happens for us. And so yeah, I'm excited. It's a cool partnership.
With that year, they kind of look like the Wendy. You like Wendy?
He always tells me that because especially like when I have freckles. She has red hair. This is pink. This is Dusty Rose.
It close. It close. Your favorite though. Your favorite, like, you know, Wendy was a little girl.
Oh, and let's drive. This is getting out of hand now. So this is when she turned.
This is when Wendy turned big woman.
You don't say.
See the facts them this.
You're an idiot. And now take the shame in.
Anyway, where we going? We're heading next.
Oh, plant. I need a plant so bad. I need a plant so bad. Let's do it.
Tell you the truth, people. It's weird to me because...
It's what?
It's weird to me to have so many plants in the house. But guess what?
It improves our mood and our environment.
I love the plant them, and the plant them bring our vibes. It bring lizards, but it bring our vibes. Tell you the truth, people.
It does not bring lizards.
Alright, once again, men need women. And homes need...
plants.
Not just plants, but that female energy, because I forgot to tell you how proud I am of you for changing around the space, right? Even the living room right now, remember, you know, men are practical. If it's functional and if we can exist and coexist with a situation, we will.
As long as they can.
I just wanted to say that.
Thank you, honey.
Women are important in the world.
It's taken this long to do for the simple fact that we keep waiting to have everything perfect. or I was like, you know, let's wait till we have the perfect this or the perfect, and I just realized, you know, this is true. We're here now. We do what we can now. It's not going to be every single thing that you want, but it can still be a beautiful, wonderful space to be in while you get to what you want. And I think just men's tolerance for the space just being how it is or messy or otherwise doesn't really bother them, but it was really starting to bother me, like even like energetically. So it's nice to like open up space. And then, you know, we got some comments from the last video saying, you have a dining room, and it's so funny because the dining room became a catch-all, and everybody has a catch-all. Comment below where the catch-all in your house is. It became a catch-all, and so we never used it, but now that it's where we're sorting it out, it becomes even another place to film in. So yeah, I'm proud of it too, and thanks for saying that.
Okay, so at Best Buds now satisfying Tami's plant addiction. Here we go, people.
The baskets, the pots that look like baskets. Maybe I should check inside. Oh, those are beautiful, Mr. Bertie. Thank you, sir. I love these. What are names for the figs?
What them name?
Fiddle fig.
Fiddle fig.
Yeah, you know the pot. Mommy's pot gloves are here. These are the gloves that she makes that they go over the pot. See that? So cute. Oh, you have some actually on there. Oh, cute.
Ah, there we go.
Yeah.
This is how them fit nice. So you
All kinds of different patterns too.
all kind of different patterns. So nice up your place, man.
Yeah.
Spruce up the plants them and give them some clothes.
I love it. And especially if you have like a cheaper plastic pots that you just want to cover. They're great. Yeah,
Nice.
exactly.
That's my mama's stuff.
That's right.
Look.
What are you looking at?
Look.
Look at what?
Bike.
A bike.
You get so excited.
Yeah. Did you see the plant in the car?
In front.
Yeah.
Car.
You had a good day?
Yeah.
Love you.
Mommy's here.
That's yours. You keep it. Okay?
Version.
Okay.
That one, the boat one.
Oh, I can't do the boat one. What's that one behind there? Let's go on this. Okay, you going that side? Go with Daddy to that side. Daddy, you go with him.
But let me see your shirt, good. Let me see your shirt. Oh, handsome boy. Heritage Day at school today, so I'm dressing in bandana shirt.
Whoa, Daddy, look.
Oh, cool.
Don't bite my finger. One. So sparkly. Yay. We only could buy one toy. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go back home now. This is all I need.
Christmas
only one
things
toy.
out. It has been gone.
Bring me
And
back
there's
to
more.
the car.
There
Take
is
me home.
more. It's a new. Oh my god, I love that little mat. There's nutcrackers on there. Oh,
Nutcrackers.
love it.
Nutcrackers. Nutcrackers.
I just got changed. And now we're going to start trying to put it together a little bit. What? Just so you said. She wants to get started. She's been going at it. There and there. The two of them are right either side of the light. Right. And then I have some other little things too.
So are they use now? Of wall hangers? You never think it through.
You must have some concrete nail in all of them toolkit there.
I have nail, but I know I mash up your wall.
Gold color is nice. Yeah, I'm going to frame it eventually because I mean obviously in here it's not going to be this color, but I just like them so much I say no, I'm gonna just get them. Yeah. Yeah.
All size. Big up Fleetwood. All size. You understand? so me I do this one over the top this one. Paint out dust this one. You see it? Simple work and no big work. You know, DIY never ready for the understand? My light turn on so I can assess the area that needs attention properly, you see me? Pussy?
Yeah, so
Oh yeah, Kisco.
alright, so Mommy,
Yes, Ozzy.
I can cold.
Why do you want a headlamp?
Daddy,
This
help.
is not a headlamp vibe.
Help.
Definitely.
I feel like this is a little extra Wayne, as usual.
No, definitely the headlamp vibe.
You think you have enough brushes? Where's the paint?
Don't worry about it. I'm not gonna deal with it. No job too big, no job too small for the handyman. He will appear soon as you call. He's the handyman. He'll cut your branches, he'll mow your lawn, he'll hang those pictures, he'll paint the walls. He's got the tools and he's well prepared. He's Mr. Fix-It, don't you fair. No job too big, no job too small for the handyman. Thank you!
So here's a fun fact about this poster. It's actually the original poster for when the movie was out. And it's absolutely probably one of my favorite movies ever. Fanny Bryce, played by Barbara Streisand, is just genius. And let me tell you the story. When I signed my deal with Universal, I met with the legal team, obviously, and the head of the legal team at the time. We were talking about the different movies that we love. And of course I was in New York and all that stuff, and we got talking about Funny Girl, and he said, you know, I have this incredible poster which was the original, one of the original movie posters, and you know what, when you sign your deal today, I'm gonna gift it to you. And that alone would have made me sign a deal. I'm such a huge fan. And when I used to have my office at the salon, I had it up in there, and I've never really taken it back out. And I just decided, you know what, let me put it up because I love it so much and it means so much to me. So that's a fun fact about that Funny Girl poster. If you haven't seen Funny Girl, you should watch it. It's amazing. So I'm not quite done this room. Still a little way to go, but look at this little wall that I just did up. I just kind of freehanded. Does Daddy have tape? Because I don't have any tape. Yeah.
Just stay around there.
Check and see. We've been cleaning out. I kind of freehanded this wall, but I love it. I mean, how sweet. But my favorite would be these glass globes, and I'll put a little water in there. There's just some spearmint in there right now, which is lovely. Tessie gave these to me, and Tessie has them in her house, and she has like a little live art installation. And so yeah, don't you just love that? I'll try and find out where she got it from. This corner, that right here just needs one little, don't it? Just a little something not to do with this, something completely just by itself so it can go in line with, don't it? Just right there. Love it! And the table is a mess. But a lot of you asked last time, and this table, which is so solid, is from Active. And then these chairs, I need a couple more, are from Ashley, so I'm gonna get a couple more of those. And these two are from Fontana, which I loved. They turned out really nice together and just under the light. It's a very big wall, so I'll soon come and help you find some tape, but I really don't think I have any. Listen, Rome wasn't built in a day, and I know that we've spoiled you guys with lots of cool, quick mini makeovers. Babes, I don't have any tape.
No.
What else could we use besides tape?
I want to be longer. I want it to be longer.
Ah, so how are you going to make it longer?
Tape.
Okay, give me 2 minutes and I'll figure it out with you. Okay, can you do that? Yes, you can. I know that we've done makeovers very quickly, mini makeovers, but this one is taking a little time to come together because I'm taking my time. But yeah, maybe Monday you guys will see it because I'll probably do it over the weekend.
Shirt is ripped. Shirt is ripped.
Everybody's making fun of this
Our
shirt.
shirts are ripped.
I've had this shirt for
Mommy,
over a decade.
why is this shirt ripped?
I know, I can't throw it away. I found it! Sometimes you have to just rummage around your house, you know? I took it from the boys' bathroom and it says, be the good. Couldn't be any more apt. I love it! Wayne, how do you like it?
I love it.
Yay!
I love it. Yeah, my interior decorator had today. Big time.
Yo, little by little, big by big, putting it together.